Tired of random calls from numbers you don't recognize? Or maybe you accidentally turned on that setting and now you're missing important calls. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn on or off the Silence Unknown Callers feature on your iPhone. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss a key step that could affect your incoming calls. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Now scroll down the list until you find the option labeled Phone. It's usually grouped with other Apple apps like Messages and FaceTime. Tap on Phone. Once you're inside the phone settings, scroll down again and you'll see an option called Silence Unknown Callers. If this toggle is off, all unknown calls will ring through like normal. But if you turn it on, any calls from numbers not saved in your contacts, recent calls, or Siri suggestions will be silenced. Meaning your phone won't ring or vibrate, but you'll still see them in your Recents tab. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. Now, if you want to stop missing calls from delivery drivers or one-time numbers, just toggle the setting off. But if you're trying to cut down on spam or unknown calls, toggling it on might give you some peace and quiet. To test it out, ask a friend whose number isn't saved in your contacts to call you. If you've turned the feature on, the phone won't ring, but their number will still show up in your call log. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.